Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely stunning BMW R1200RT LE. Here we have a BMW R1200RT LE. This is a 2018 bike on an 18 plate with just 26,399 miles, one owner from new and a full BMW service history, having recently been serviced by a BMW dealer in October 2021. This bike is in outstanding condition and is in the, well, the colour is actually called carbon black, would you believe, but it's actually more of a deep metallic navy blue. Really nice colour actually on this bike, looks absolutely fantastic. There's no damage anywhere on the bike at all. As we go around, I'll just show you that. So the front tyre's got plenty of life left in it there, no corrosion or damage to the wheels or the fork legs. No damage to the cylinder heads. Very often these bikes have been over and the first thing to touch down is of course those cylinder heads, but not this bike. The exhaust again, untouched, unmarked, no corrosion. There's not even any corrosion on the centre stand, which is absolutely fantastic. There are some boot rubs on the top of the pannier lid there, but they are actually on a paint protection kit, so if they really bothered you, you could just take them off. No top box on this one. You of course get the heated rear seat and heated rider seat on this bike, along with that BMW tank pad that you would have seen there. Loads of spec on these bikes. They really are fantastically well spec tourer. In fact, they take some beating as a touring machine. You've got heated grips, cruise control, Nav Prep, although the nav isn't included, power screen, ABS, dynamic electronic suspension adjustment. You've got a colour dash, keyless ride. It's pretty much got everything you want really. This doesn't have the radio, which to be honest, doesn't really make a great deal of difference. You can't really hear them anyway on a bike once you get over a certain speed. Front wheel this side, again, no damage, corrosion, dings, marks, dents, scrapes, anything like that at all. There's a small rub there on the heel plate as you would expect. No corrosion on the shaft housing itself. Again, that's something these bikes can suffer with, but not the case with this bike. Same for this pannier lid, couple of boot scuffs, but again, they are on the paint protection kit, so nothing to worry about there. Petrol tank is unmarked. You can just about pick out that it is a very dark blue there as well. There's that tank pad. All in all, if you're looking to do some distance or you want something to get yourself to work all year round, then these bikes really do take some beating. A fantastic touring machine, I think you'll agree. Central locking on those panniers as well, just mentioning that on the way out. What a fantastic bike. If you're looking for a tourer, look no further than this BMW R1200RT LE. These BMW Boxer twins sound absolutely fantastic, so let's fire this one up and have a listen. Super smooth. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this beautiful BMW R1200RT LE, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.